Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Ricky the Plumber with Sewer Studs, and today I'm heading out to a job in Westchase where the homeowner had a camera inspection done and something just isn't adding up for them. Their plumber came out, did the camera inspection, and is saying that they need to basically do a sewer spot repair. But when I looked at the footage, it looks like the roots are coming in from a buried two-way cleanout riser. And so I'm gonna get there, I'm gonna do my own camera inspection, and if that is the case, I should be able to get this homeowner fixed today for less than $1,000, which is awesome considering the last company told him he needed a sewer spot repair and that it was gonna cost him over $4,000. And so let's see if my gut feeling and my 13 years of experience in the field is right. I'm gonna document this job with my camera here, and we'll see if my gut feeling is correct or not. All right, everybody, Ricky the Plumber again. I'm on the client's roof. Just introduce myself to her, let her know what I'm gonna be doing. And basically what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna run my camera down this vent stack. I'm gonna find where the roots are, and then I'll take my locator out and see if I can't find exactly where the root intrusion is. And if it's just coming in through the clean out, this will be an easy fix. So beautiful, beautiful part of town, by the way. Look at the view that I have here. Nice little pine woods back there. Never know what you're gonna get into in plumbing. All right, so it may be a little difficult for y'all to see because of the glare, but I've got my camera in. I'm about 70 feet into the line, and you can see clear as day that these roots are coming in from what appears to be the clean out riser. So I'm gonna locate this area, and I'm gonna see if I can't find this clean out riser, and assuming that's all it is, I should be able to raise the riser, get the roots out of there, and this homeowner should be good to go for a lot cheaper than what the other plumber quoted them. All right, now I'm in the front yard. I've located where this clean out riser is supposed to be, and this is where things get interesting. Because I spoke with the homeowner, and he said that this plumber dug up like 3 feet, 2 feet deep, and couldn't find the clean out. It is only, I don't know if you guys can see the screen, but it is only 1 foot 8 inches deep to the bottom of the pipe. So I don't know if we're dealing with someone who doesn't know what they're doing, or maybe they were just trying to make a sale. But I'm gonna locate this the old-fashioned way with a probe, and then I'm gonna dig this up and should be able to get this fixed right away. There's not a lot of things in life more satisfying than having a spot-on diagnosis. I mean, I love it when I get to call the customer over and say, hey, it was exactly what I told you it was gonna be over the phone. I guess I'm that good. Let's take a look at this. Broken cleanout riser, just like I said it would be. Looks like this one got broken at some point in the past. And all I'm gonna need to do really is get these roots out of here, pull them out of the sewer line, and then basically cut this nice and flush, get a coupling on, extend the riser up, about 1 foot, put a new cleanout access in there, and they should be good to go. So this is really good news. I'm gonna need to get a pair of pliers in here to help me pull these roots out, but we're doing good, baby. We're up. And look, there's my camera, right where I thought it would be. So the roots are out. I just need to get the rest of this dirt out of the line and they'll be good to go. All right, so the repair is now complete. All I need to do is backfill the area and clean up, and that's gonna be another job well done. All right, y'all, the work area has been backfilled, and this is another job professionally done by the sewer studs. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.